In this procedure, we will be replacing the front strut on a SureShade Power Bimini. The tool required for this procedure is a 5/32 inch hex wrench. With the Bimini in the closed position, unzip the front pocket of the Bimini canvas. You will also need to unsnap the fasteners holding the fabric to the front struts. Using the 5/32 inch hex wrench, remove the screws connecting the front strut to the actuator. Next, remove the front strut from the actuator and the connecting strut. Install the new front strut onto the connecting strut and actuator. Next, install the screws connecting the front strut to the actuator. Zip up the front pocket of the Bimini canvas. You will also need to snap the fasteners that hold the fabric to the front struts. This completes the front strut replacement procedure on a SureShade Power Bimini.